Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at a tool that is absolutely reshaping how creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses think about their digital presence. We're talking about Moxu. It's basically the ultimate frictionless solution for customer retention. If you've ever wanted the power of a native mobile app, but completely dreaded the massive costs and technical headaches of building one, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to unpack how this tool transforms your existing website into a native-feeling app in literal minutes.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this question right here is the painful reality for almost every digital business today. Why do users visit once and then just vanish? You spend hours, days, and hundreds of dollars on marketing, social media, and SEO, all just to get someone to click on your link. They arrive, they scroll around a bit, maybe they even look at a product, and then, boom, they close the browser. Poof, gone. Relying on them to organically remember to type in your URL again is, well, it's basically wishing on a star, right? It's definitely not a reliable business strategy.
For years, the default fix for that vanishing traffic problem was the classic email newsletter. But check this out. Email open rates have completely plummeted to below 15% across the board. The traditional methods of keeping customers around, like those massive email blasts, are frankly failing modern creators. I mean, think about your own inbox. It's overflowing with spam, promotions folders are swallowing all your updates, and your most loyal customers are completely missing your biggest announcements. You really need a more direct line of communication.
Section 1. Turn sites into apps, the new paradigm.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive shift we're talking about. The old way of getting a native app experience, that meant hiring developers, spending 50 grand or more, waiting for months, literally begging for App Store approval, and then handing over 30% of your revenue to Apple or Google. It was completely gatekept. But the Moxu way? It costs $0 to start, you're launched in under 15 minutes, absolutely no coding required, and the best part? You keep 100% of your revenue. Enterprise-grade experiences are now completely accessible to the independent creator.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. No code? Really? Come on, it's got to be somewhat complicated. But the magic number here is exactly 1. That is how many lines of code it actually takes to integrate Moxu into your existing website. There's no complex jargon, no heavy server configuration to deal with, and definitely no need to go hire an engineering team. It's literally just a single snippet you paste into your site, and suddenly your standard web page becomes an installable, native-feeling app right there on your customer's phone screen.
Section 2. Push notifications that work. Bypass the inbox. By bypassing the App Store entirely, you get to send push notifications directly to your user's device screen. This directly attacks that vanishing visitor problem we talked about earlier. Someone leaves an item in their cart, boom, instant abandoned cart recovery notification. You want to reward your VIPs? Just send a highly segmented blast. And because Moxu handles peak time zone scheduling, your message lands right when they're actually most likely to read it. We're talking an incredible 99.2% delivery rate. For sure, this translates directly into recovered revenue.
Section 3. Your 24/7 AI agent. Automate customer support. Now, acquiring and retaining customers also means you actually have to support them. But as a small business owner, at some point, you kind of need to sleep, right? Well, Moxu includes a smart assistant that trains on your website's data in seconds. It instantly becomes an absolute expert on your business, answering customer questions around the clock. Plus, it's fluent in over 50 languages, which means you can serve a global audience instantly while you're literally off getting your morning coffee. The data shows this AI agent reduces support tickets by up to 80%. It's quite literally a full customer service team that never clocks out.
And the AI isn't just for customer support either. It's built right into your marketing too. Take Moxu's AI campaign writer, for example. You just type in a basic input, something like, write a push for our 20% off summer sale. And the output? It's immediately this engaging, urgent, emoji-optimized piece of copy that's totally ready to send. Like, summer's almost gone. Your 20% discount vanishes at midnight. Tap to claim. It completely eliminates writer's block and makes sure your push notifications are engineered to get the absolutely highest click-through rate possible.
Section 4. Build a store fast. No website, no problem.
Let's move to and see how this builds, especially if you're an entrepreneur starting today with nothing but an idea. Moxu actually has a built-in store builder, and it is incredibly fast. You just use a simple drag-and-drop designer to make it look great. Then you connect Stripe to handle all your payments securely. Next, you add your products, whether those are digital downloads like an ebook or physical goods, and that's it, you launch. You can literally go from zero to a fully functional, totally secure storefront that feels exactly like a native app in under 15 minutes.
Section 5. Launch for free today. Zero risk, instant reward.
It's really easy to look at a platform this powerful and just assume there's a catch or some massive upfront cost. But let's just compare the options here. You could go to an expensive dev agency and sign a contract for tens of thousands of dollars. Or you can jump onto Mox's free plan. For exactly $0 a month, you get up to 100 subscribers and can send 10 campaigns every single day. You seriously don't even need to take your credit card out of your wallet to start testing the waters and seeing real results.
So what does onboarding actually look like? Well, it is an incredibly simple 3-step blueprint. Step 1, create your project in the dashboard. Step 2, copy your unique generated snippet. And step 3, paste it into your website and deploy. Honestly, if you have ever added Google Analytics or a Facebook Pixel to a website, you already have all the technical skills required to turn your site into a native-feeling app today. It's really that easy.
This is the absolute key takeaway. You can start for free at moxu.app, and you can genuinely be live in minutes. The speed of implementation here is just incredible, and the fact that you can bypass all those traditional hurdles of app development while still reaching your customers directly on their screens, it is an absolute game changer for digital growth.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to ponder. If building a powerful, native-feeling app, complete with push notifications, AI support, and an integrated store, takes less than 15 minutes and costs absolutely $0 to start, what is stopping you from transforming your business today? The tools are right there waiting for you. Get out there and start building.